Hey guys, what's happening? How to use Wise QR code. Wise QR codes can be used in several ways beyond just sending payments and all that stuff. You can use the main QR code or Wise QR code to receive payments. You can generate QR code in the Wise by clicking your avatar icon at the top right here. You're gonna see your face or your avatar, and then under your name you're going to be able to generate a QR code and share it with someone so you can receive money quickly if they send money. An idea for freelancers, small businesses, or personal transactions. You can also use the QR code to buy merchant. Some businesses accept Wise QR code payments, allowing you to scan and pay directly from your Wise balance. And also, you can use the QR code for ATM withdrawals, limited availability. In some regions, Wise support QR code withdrawals at partner ATMs, letting you access cash without a card. And also, it also benefits business invoices in e-commerce. Businesses can add a Wise QR code to invoices or checkout pages for easy customer payment and peer-to-peer transfers. The Wise QR code, instead of manually entering details, Wise users can scan QR code to send money instantly, right? You could go and hit send right here, the green button under your total balance, right? And you're gonna be able, if I hold right here, you're gonna be able to basically enter the amount, right? And select your payment method. So I'm gonna click send, right? And one of the payment methods is the Wise QR code, right? And send it immediately. Always double check the recipient before confirming any transaction. So just a heads up. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and catch you in the next time.